Online training is new. We are actually not used to online training. So as a result, a lot of people are still finding it difficult to adjust to learning online. And that is why we're making this video, how to learn online. Okay, because it is now becoming a must that you should learn online. Okay, but you need to learn how to learn online. And that's what we're going to discuss today. Because some people, when they want to learn online, they get bored and they just abandon it and they leave. But they've paid for the course, but they won't finish it. Okay? All right, now let's talk about it. Let's say you paid for a course, then you have a coach. That one is a smarter way of learning online. You understand me? But I'm going to combine the two, learning through YouTube and learning online. This principle will apply to both of them. I mean, learning through YouTube and learning under a coach. This principle will apply for these two. Okay, so there are two methods we are going to use. The first method is watch the entire videos. Like if you paid somebody to teach you now and the person sends you videos you're going to watch, take your time, just watch the entire videos. Don't do any other thing. Pick your phone. If it's your phone, keep watching it. I've used this method before. Okay, I'll just watch the entire videos. Even if it is 100 videos or more, I will watch all of them. Okay, I will lie down and use the video. I'll keep watching, and then even if I'm not understanding everything, I wasn't watching it to understand everything. I was just watching it to have an overview of what the course is about and what I am actually aiming at, or what I'm going to face in the course. That was what I'm just watching all of them first. After going through all the videos, then I will now come back and start watching the video again and practicing. Okay, so if I'm watching the video the second time I'm practicing, it becomes easier for me because I've seen the end, how everything is going to go. I've already seen what I'm possibly going to face. Do you get me? I've even learned some concepts and my brain is already conditioned to pay attention and it already knows what it's going to face. Do you understand? So this is a very good method of learning. Okay, watch the entire video, or they say if the video is so many, like you have over 500 videos or more, or 1,000 videos, because maybe how big, maybe the course is so big, so detailed the course, then it means that it will be divided into topics. Okay, just pick the first topic. Let's see if the first topic has, let's say, 10 videos in it. You watch the whole of the 10 videos in that topic. Okay, then you practice. All right, then you watch another topic, the whole videos in the second topic, and practice. If you do it like this, you will also enjoy learning. Okay, then the second method is to watch and practice immediately. That one will also work. You watch and then you practice. Okay, so what do you do when you get bored? Pay attention. When you get bored, you stop practicing. Don't force yourself at all, because probably you are new in that field and you are still getting conditioned to that lifestyle. Leave it. Don't force your brain in any way. What you do is, if you want to sleep, go to sleep. Or you want to go out and meet friends, you go and meet friends. You want to go for a sport, go to do some sports, go. If you want to go for a walk, go. Whatever you want to do, go and do it. Don't force your brain. And you get one thing, while you're doing it, your brain will not abandon what you have started. No, your brain will not. Even when you're asleep, sometimes you begin to dream about what you were doing. Your brain was trying to find answers to some maybe certain difficulties you might have. Okay, so later you can come back to continue from where you stopped. Okay, so do not just, you can practice small, you rest, you practice, you rest. If you do it like this, it becomes easier for you, you won't get bored. Okay, one guy that wanted to pay for one of my courses, he actually paid for one of my courses and he wanted to learn a lot. He wanted to learn web development, mobile app development, and some other skills. So he told me that if he pay for all of these courses at once, that he won't be able to handle it. That once he sees so many courses to learn, he becomes tired. So if you are that kind of person, then you don't have to pay for all the courses at once. Okay, just start from the small one, finish that small one, then before you pay for the second one, finish it, you continue that way if you are that type of person. Now, while you're learning, if you encounter difficulties, try to solve it yourself first, because it will actually help you to learn. Because some people, what they do is that when they encounter difficulties, immediately, because they have a coach, they immediately call that attention of the coach. The coach will solve it, and at a point, their brain will begin to depend on the coach to solve all problems. No. So what you do is, when you encounter a problem, try to solve it by yourself. Okay, try to solve it by yourself. Try for hours to solve it. If you are exhausted after trying, maybe you might even leave it the next day. Sometimes your brain will provide answer before the next day. But if after maybe the next day you didn't get answer, then you now call the attention of your coach. Okay, your coach will help you solve it. You get me? And one more thing, practice every day. Practice every day. Don't jump any day. Practice every day. Even if it is 1 hour every day, do it. But maintain that routine of practicing every day. It will surely help you to gradually get yourself conditioned to learning online. Okay? And again, another thing you might consider doing is, maybe if you have a sort of entertainment, something that entertains you, that doesn't distract you. Let me give you an example. Myself, when I'm working, not necessarily learning, I used to download some videos that normally helps me while working. Okay, so if I'm doing something that is not extremely technical, I will begin to watch the videos there while working. The movies, okay, while working makes it lot lighter for me. Okay, and then once I face a difficulty, I'll pause the video or the movie. Sorry, I'll pause the movie and concentrate on the difficulty. Once I solve it, I'll put the movie. The movie is just like more or less like a companion to me, like a company, keeping me company. Okay, so you know what helps you to ease off. Just use that so that you keep learning. But one thing I'm begging you not to do is to give up, because we don't like anything that brings discomfort in one way or the other. So when you're learning online and you're becoming uncomfortable because you are not used to learning online before, you just abandon it. Don't do it. If you do it, you are obstructing opportunities. Okay, opportunity to learn a skill and use it to make money, and the opportunity to condition yourself to adjust to the new environment we have found ourselves in. You're obstructing an opportunity to even get ready to learn other skills that will help open you up to opportunities. You're obstructing all opportunities. So do not give up. You get what I'm saying? Do not give up, no matter how difficult it is. Try to finish what you started. Because once you finish one, it becomes easier to finish two. And eventually you get the skill you need. Okay? Then if money is what you need, the skill will help you get the money you need. And everybody is happy. Okay, because a lot of people, they are lazy, or they get tired and they're distracted, or or uncomfortable when something is not working the way they want. They give up. Some people, they give up so easily. If you are the type of person that give up so easily, then it might be difficult for you to achieve something in life. You get me? So I think that is it.